What?
The math just isn't mathing and you try to catch the water to see where you went wrong.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Curiosity didn't kill the cat, but it definitely gave him a heart attack when the snack started fighting back. That shrimp really said not today and shows violence. Did not agree to a mid-air jump scare, but here we are. 1 second he is contemplating his life choices and the next... Put all your skill points into the sneak attack but 0 points into the landing.
You know what you did, Shane?
Oh! Oh my god!
See, you are trying to study for your final exam, but I have decided that I am the only material worth reviewing today.
Canım acıyor.
Bakıyor, acaba nereden mamayı kapabilirim?
You're built for stealth and speed, but your internal GPS is still running on dial-up. Spent the last 10 minutes trying to hunt my own reflection and I am currently losing. I think it is time to admit that the cat in the mirror is a superior athlete.
What is wrong?
You hire 2 inspectors for the trash, but they both decide to quit at the same time. Moment when you realize some snacks are definitely not on the menu. He really went from 0 to existential crisis in 3 seconds flat. Once.
Oh, she just slapped the egg.
Oh my god!
You're trying to take a nap, but the snacks keep crawling all over you.
Oh
You're trying to ignore the person talking to you, but you realize they are holding the keys to the cabinet where the treats are kept. I'm telling you, for the last time the fish was this big. You forget that the 6 o'clock a.m. alarm is a person and not a can of tuna.
Ini kita menyerang anunya. Kakinya nih, otot-ototnya sudah siap nih.
You're trying to act cool and casual after your 3 a.m. parkour session went horribly wrong.
Oh, she's like, don't bite my ear off.
You try to take the cat for a spin, but he decides to test the physics of a backflip instead.
Hey, vaca, vaca. Vaca!
You decide to speak their native language, but clearly used the wrong dialect, and now you... The intrusive thoughts win, but you realize halfway down that you aren't actually a flying squirrel. You decide to summon a demon, but your heart just isn't in it because your toe beans need a serious inspection. The food is so good you have to hold your friend's head down just to make sure they don't miss a single bite. Total teamwork or a complete hostile.
Oh my god, Millie. He's so like he's so brave.
The cat you hired for pest control decides to join the union and demand a hazard pay increase minhunt. You try to act tough, but the Council of Lizards is unimpressed with your performance. Trying to look cute for the camera, but your human treats your face like a stress ball. A bird, but your brain is 90% static and 10% dial-up internet. Awkward moment when your tuxedo cat decides the dress code for the evening is strictly violence.
Kitty, be a nice kitty. Why you gotta be like that?
You forget that your satellite dish isn't a cargo hold. This poor orange brain cell really thought he had it secured. That 180-degree rotation from pride to...
Break my new hairdryer. Mush!
Your parent says you can get a dog, but only if you take full responsibility for its walks.
Good, Sam?
You realize Monday morning wasn't just a bad dream. hire a professional piano tuner, but they spend the whole time looking for the mouse and